local government, for this show of solidarity, for this show of support, by coming out in your loud numbers to say, Onega is PDP. PDP is Onega. And that is as regards to the governorship election, as regards to the senatorial election, as regards the House of Reps election, as regards the House of Assembly election. We have come here today to campaign for you to give back the support you gave to us when we visited you in 2014 to 2015. When we came in 2019, you gave us the support. We have come back in 2023 for you to consolidate with what we have done. And it became necessary that you have still to support our team, the governorship candidate, by the grace of God, your daughter, who is the deputy, so they can consolidate and continue where we will stop. All the promises we have made, to the glory of God, we are keeping the promises. Remember, we are coming here by the end of February to commission Krigene, Elegu, Omoku Road. We are coming back here in February to commission the road. We are coming here by the end of February too to commission Ogba-Egbema-Ndoni session. I have awarded to Jonas Berger to continue from Ahuda to Omoku. So, you can imagine the organization starting from Ahuda down to Ogba-Egbema, all having street lights. What will here be again? What are we looking for? Remember, a lot of roads were awarded here and were not done. When I came in 2015, I completed those internal roads. I did not award them. But I said, government is a continuum. It's a public fund. I cannot allow a local government as strong as Onega, the gas hub of not only Nigeria, even the River State. And therefore, like my successor has said, yeah, we'll continue with where we are stopping. They are part of government. Don't allow those who were given the opportunity, they failed you. Is there anything they can tell you again? No. Do they have anything to tell you again? No. Let me ask you a question. When Ogba-Egbema-Ndoni had flood last year, Ahuda West was flooded. Abua was flooded. Did you see anybody come to sympathize with you?
No way.
Did they come?
No way.
Did they come?
No way.
And that is why you know those who hate River State. That's how you know those who love us. If you hate River State, we will not give you our vote. Don't be so.
Not so.
Don't be so.
Not so.
We will only give our vote to those who love River State. You have to listen to our leaders. Through the DJ of the campaign, they will come back to you, sit you down, and tell you where we are heading to. It's a fight to finish. Do not be afraid. We are going to win at the end of the day.
Amen.
We have always won. We will continue to win. We have never failed in anything we have told you. Success has always been with us. God has been with us. This time will not be of difference. God will continue to lead us. We have visited the Oba, and the Oba has done the traditional thing by blessing us and telling us, go to the field. My people are there. They will be with you. They will stay with you. And we have seen it today. Thank you very much. And God bless you.
Thank you. Shall we please take the national anthem, please?